Come with me as we explore life in Somalia, Part 1. So usually a day for me starts off by checking my book, available now on Amazon, and then making an Americanized Somali breakfast. Here we have malawah, prepared with some eggs and banana. Of course, always have to have your banana and tea. And then, of course, I start cleaning up, and then a little TLC, preparing the chebe for my hair and liwa mask for my face. If you follow me on Travel Teach Hill, you've seen the preparation for that. Then we make our way in the city with a tuk-tuk, best way to see the city. Always camels on the side of the road in Somalia. Here was Jazeera, the water and the air absolutely clean, fresh, and beautiful. The color was crystal clear, crystal blue. Absolutely amazing. I can't wait to go back. Once again, making our way back home, so camels on the side of the road. And there you have it for part 1. Again, make sure that you check out my book on Amazon, available now as paperback and ebook. And thank you so much for following. Make sure you follow for part 2. Okay, bye.